How to remove silent mode on your Android phone and switch it back to normal sound mode. To get started, press either of the volume buttons on the side of your phone. When the volume slider appears, tap the sound mode icon above or beside the slider. Keep tapping it until it changes from silent or vibrate to ring mode. You can also open the Settings app and tap Sound and Vibration, or Sounds, depending on your phone's software version. Here, make sure silent mode is turned off. Then, adjust the ringtone, media, notification, and alarm volume sliders to your preferred levels. If your phone is still not making any sound, go back to Settings and open Do Not Disturb. If it's enabled, turn it off, as this mode can silence calls and notifications even when your ringtone volume is turned up. That's it! Your Android phone is now back in ring mode, and you'll receive calls and notifications with sound again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick and easy Android tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.